Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Seal, the High Level Queen, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create an autoresponder with Google Ads that's going to auto nurture your leads, and we're going to cover everything from start to finish. So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to teach you guys how to create a landing page for Google Ads that looks like this, and we're going to cover everything: the forms, the triggers, the campaigns to auto nurture your leads so that your client doesn't feel super pressured to call them right back and so that they come back and buy. All right. So the first thing we're going to do, step one, is we're going to create a form for the leads to submit their information. Okay. And it's going to look like this. So I am inside of my high level dashboard here. And if you don't have an account, what are you waiting for? It's the all-in-one tool I use for all of my marketing agency needs. Okay. So free trial link below. And I am going to go to Form Builder. I'm going to click on Create a New Form. Okay. I have one here I made really quickly. You're going to want full name. You're going to want email, phone number, and some kind of details, comments, or how can we help box. And this is going to increase your quality. All right. So you can do that like this. You just take the field and you drag it over here like this. Okay. It's already in there, but you can see here how you do it. You want to make sure to click required. Okay. Same with email. You're going to drag email over and then you're going to click required. Phone number, same thing, click required. And then you can create a custom field with the details. That's a text field, and you can say like, how can we help? Something like that. Click save, drag it over. Okay. Then here for your button, you're going to want to make sure that you drag a button over. Okay. And make it something like, yes, send my voucher now, or yes, send me more information, text me more information, something like that. All right. And I do have a different kind of styling here. Little hack, you can go to Styles, Custom CSS, and you can paste your styling code. This kind of has a Clickfunnels look and feel to it and super easy to do. Now, what you're going to do is click on Integrate Form, and you're going to go ahead and close that out. Okay, step two, we are going to set up our landing page, and you can easily do this inside of High Level. You don't need to go pay for hosting, and you don't need to go sign up for a hosting plan. All you're going to do is go to Funnels. You're going to create a new funnel and call it Google Ads Opt-in or something like that. Okay. And this first one is going to be opt-in. It's going to be super easy. I'm just going to show you how to do it like super, super quick. So we're going to do full width. We're going to add one column row. We're going to add a headline. And let's go back over here and see kind of how I did this. So there's going to be another section. And this top section here is for the call. So you want to make sure that you have that. That way they can call. And you can actually hook this up into your number pool, which is going to have to be a different video. Okay. But for now, we're going to do it this way. And then we can just do, whatever your call to action is: affordable daycare in New York City. And you can change like the font. I don't know why it like made it tiny for a second. That was weird. I always seem to find random bugs when I do things. Okay. Then we're going to add a subheadline, and then we're going to add paragraph. Okay. And again, you can type anything you want to here. Just make sure that you're selling the product. Why should they call, right? What kind of deal are they going to get? Then here we are going to enter our form, and it's going to be Google Ads form. That's going to go right here. Okay. All right, cool. Then you can add all this other stuff down here, like details about the service, how it works, because people are going to ask questions. So you might as well put it on this page. And then you can put like testimonials and stuff in there, which is cool. So if you want, you can add like the testimonial widget down at the bottom. And GoHighLevel does have that testimonial widget available. Let me see if I can find it in here. If I can't, I'll show you how to get the code. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I'm going to go back and grab that testimonial code real quick. So review widget, get code, copy this code here. Going to go back to funnels. And we can edit our page again. We are going to grab a custom and we're going to paste the code in there and save it. And you want to make sure that you preview this and that it looks cool and everything like that. Looks good so far. Okay, so I'm going to call that good for now because I have a lot more stuff to show you guys. All right, so you're also going to want to make sure that you insert your Google Analytics code in this head tracking code here, right here, okay? Because if you don't, then you're not going to get your performance data. If you want to, you can also add a thank you page. So you can either just end it there, or you can add a thank you page. If you want to add a thank you page, you can add the confirmation code on that thank you page. So it'd probably be a good idea to do that. And you can literally just copy this and change the verbiage to say thank you. Okay. Now, what you want to do is after you've entered the code, which was step 3, you want to create a campaign. So step 4, you want to create your campaign. And we're going to create a Google Ads opt-in campaign. And we are going to add an event, SMS, and we're going to text them back as soon as they enter that information. So we're going to say, hey, first name, hey, teammate Testerton, thanks, whoa, I can't type today, for your interest in niche offer, right? So you can use a custom value here. You can type it, whatever you do, just make sure that you're specific here, okay? My name is, and then you can actually insert the business owner right here. I'll be calling you as soon as I can. If you're busy, we can text. This is super secret. Just reply to this message, okay? This works really well because it looks like a person, okay? It's very personable. And if you make it like 2 to 4 minutes, then it's not instant, so they know it's not, they don't think it's a robot, okay? Then we're going to do another text 10 hours later. Hey, it's, and then you can do the business owner again. Just wanted to check and see if you wanted to get a, and then this is your offer. Again, you can put that in a custom value. I have another video on that. You can call us back at this number or schedule using the link here. And you can set up, if you want to set up a trigger link, I recommend doing that. Again, different video, but you can either just put the link here or set up a trigger link, which will auto-populate all their information, okay? Then I would say like 10 hours and make sure that you put the business hours in here. So we're going to go back in and we're going to do when Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, because we don't want to send, if the business owner isn't there, we don't want to text because they're going to call back and no one's going to be there to answer the phone, okay? Then you can do another text like a day later, and you can be like, hey, it's business owner again. I'm getting lazy, but you guys know how to do that. Did you have any questions for me about the special, the online special or niche in general? Have a great day. Okay. All right. So this is going to be after a day and so on. So you guys can do this. You can auto nurture this forever if you want. I don't recommend doing it forever, but you can definitely auto nurture as much as you want. Okay. So you're going to want to make sure to turn that on, because if you don't, it's not going to work. Okay. Now, step 5, we're going to create our trigger. So I've got that turned on. I'm going to go into triggers and I'm going to say add a trigger. And then I'm going to say, Google, are you seeing a theme here? I named them all the same thing. That way I know what the heck they are. Like 2 years down the road. I can't believe I've been using GoHighLevel 2 years. So we're going to say when a form is submitted, and then we're going to specify the form. What we're going to do is we're going to add them to a campaign, Google Ads opt-in. But we can also do other cool stuff to be organized. Don't we like being organized? We can tag them Google Ads. We can add them into the pipeline. Do you guys use pipelines? Let me know in the comments. You can add them into the pipeline, and you can add them into leads, or you can add another pipeline for Google Ads, or you can add a pipeline stage for Google Ads, okay? Then the lead value, you're going to want to put that in here. Do you want to count the lead value when they submit or when they book a call? It's up to you, okay? I'll leave that up to you and your business, but you can do Google Ads here, all right? We're going to save it. We're going to turn it on, and you guys know that I always say test. Step 6. Test, baby, test. All right. So you notice I don't have a domain set up here. Different video. Sorry, I keep saying that, but this is a lot to cover and I don't want to confuse you guys. So different video, set up your domain for your funnel, and you can click this little arrow guy to preview everything. Okay. All right. Sweet. So now is the fun part. Now we can see if testing make tester 10 works. I feel sorry if anyone ever has this email. Okay. Phone number. I'm just going to put my GoHighLevel number and then test. Oh, you can also do a cool thing. If you want to notify your client, you can add an action in here and you can be like, send an email to my client or send an SMS to my client, and you can put their info in here and they'll get a text or an email every time someone puts in their info. It's pretty addictive. Okay. All right. So no pressure. We're going to see if this works. Oh, that was fancy. Did you see that? That was fancy. So the other cool thing about this is I didn't even think to tell you guys that, but yeah, you can totally, after you, in the funnel, I think it sets a form submit action. If you want to send them to the calendar, that was fancy. Okay, use action from the form builder. So let's go back into the form builder. I know we're trying to test this, but something fancy popped up and I didn't even think to teach you guys this. You can go into the form builder, or you can do it in the funnel, either way. Go away. Here, when it says on submit, open URL, you can actually paste the link to the calendar in here so that they will book right after they submit their information. How ching is that? Okay, check that out. All right, isn't that freaking cool? So now I gotta go check and see if I got these text messages. All right, so yeah, I didn't get the text message. You know why? Because there's no Twilio number in this account. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to conversations, see if it tried. Oh, look, it tried. Okay. So look, I'm in the Google Ads opt-in here, and I should be in the leads pipeline. So you can see the text here says pending. That means that it didn't go through yet because I'm a dummy and I didn't put a phone number in this account. That's fine. I can still show you guys how to do it. Okay. Then here, we're going to clear that out. And we're going to go all and refresh. See if my pipeline showed up. And if it didn't, it's probably because my computer is being wonky. I'm going to click on this. Yeah, so I'm good here. And the opportunity card issue has been an issue for me for a while, and I have to use incognito sometimes to fix it. But all in all, that is how you set up Google Ad autoresponder inside of GoHighLevel, one tool that you need to run your marketing A to Z. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from me. And check out the Academy in the comments if you want to learn more cool things about GoHighLevel. I'll see you guys next time.